Hello. Welcome to this new video. Today, I'm going to show you how to install the VMware Tools on Kali Linux so you can resize your screen, copy and paste, so on and so forth. As you can see, this is my version of Kali. If I try to resize the screen, it's not going to go anywhere. There used to be a time back in the day that if you had VMware Player running on Windows as I do, you used to go to Player, you go to Manage and install VMware Tools, and you were going to be able to do it that way. So that is obsolete. The other option that you had after that is installing these tools right here, the VMware Tools right from the regular repository, as you could see right here, the 10.3.26. But that's not going to allow you to resize the screen. You're going to be able to copy and paste, but you're not going to be able to resize the screen. So for me, that's not working. What you need to do, you need to install these VMware tools that allow you to resize the desktop environment on your Kali Linux computer. And this is the command right here. So I'm just going to do it. I'm going to leave that command in the description. I'm going to hit enter. Obviously, you have to have administrative privileges to it. That's going to do its magic. I'm going to pause the video. And it took just a few seconds to install. And once you have it installed, you could either reboot your computer and manually start the service, or you can type the command that is going to automatically start the service for you, even every time that you restart your computer. So here is the command. I'm going to hit enter. And after the reboot, for whatever reason, it just took a couple of seconds for everything to load properly. Perhaps the drivers were taking longer than usual to load, but as you can see, now I am able to resize my screen. Let me bring this back here. Right now you cannot see it, but if I hover over, now you're able to see that I'm able to resize my screen. So quick video. I hope this information was useful, and I'll talk to you on the next video.